Good morning, 10 plus 2 students. Uh, we were doing the chapter Politics of Planned Development, and in the previous video also I have given you in the introduction of the chapter. We have discussed this chapter even in the Zoom class, so let us revise it again. So I have told you about the planned development. The politics of planned development means that the government started before making before the tenure before starting the tenure, government make a plan of their development project which they have to start. Means the government plan everything before starting it, like it was done in the earlier USSR. So there the government makes 5-year plans that government will invest this much of money in agriculture sector, this much of money in industrial sector, and where they will invest more, where they will invest in agriculture sector they will invest more, or industrial sector they will invest more. So government make a plan of everything of that. So that was called 5-year plans. So Indian government also was those when India became independent. India also have two model of developments in front of them. First was the liberal capitalist model that was adopted by USA, and the second was the socialist model that was adopted by USSR or Soviet Union. So in the liberal capitalist model, I have told you like that there was a here the government favor the capitalist the more, industrialist the more, and here everything is in private hands. So like in USA it was done. So but in the socialist model it reverses of that. Here the most of the industries, most of the are run, most of the infrastructure is run by is in the hands of the government, and they are state owned. State owned means they are all in the hands of the government, and government is responsible for recruiting the people. Government is responsible for giving them wages or giving them salaries. So this is totally in the hands of the government. So our leaders, they were in the favor of particularly of the Communist Party leaders. Communist Party leaders so were there in the favor of this Soviet model, but there were some members in the of the Congress Party also who were in the favor of the to adopt socialistic model. So we adopt socialist model, and in socialist model 5-year plans were there. 5-year plans were made before government when the government come into power. Every government make 5-year plans. So the first 5-year plan was also made. A planning commission was deputed for this job, and that planning commission make the 5-year plan. So we will discuss about the 5-year plan in the next video. So more people were deeply impressed by Soviet model. This included the leader of Communist and Congress Party. I have already told you. So there were few supporters of the capitalist model as well. Now there were people in the Congress, those who were in the favor of adopting the model adopted by USA, that is the liberal capitalist model, because that was more successful. USA was more successful than USSR. That is why the people were in the favor of, there were people in the Congress who were in the favor of adopting the liberal capitalist model. So but India didn't follow. अब हम देखेंगे कि that when India became independent, though most of the people were in the favor of adopting the Soviet model, that is the socialist model, but some people, few supporters of the capitalistic model also, liberal capitalist model. So India didn't adopt both the models purely. Means the India was not in the here the it didn't accept the capitalist model in which the development was entirely in the private sector. So here they didn't adopt this model entirely. Here because here everything is owned in the private in the hands of private people. They are industrialists were more powerful, and everything is in the hands of the private industrialists, capitalists. They have more power in their hands. So nor did it follow the socialistic model. So means government didn't take everything in their hands. So here the private property was abolished and all the production is controlled by the state. So government didn't adopt even this model. So what did government do? What the government adopt mixed economy, mixed pattern, means they take both the elements of the capitalist model, also liberal capitalist model, sorry, and the elements of the socialistic model also. So both the elements of the good elements of best elements of both the models were taken, and government follow that. So the state controlled means the government controlled the bigger industries, this heavy industries like iron and steel industry is there, and like you have seen about the Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, and there were many industries that government keep in their hands. Hindustan Levers, and so all these things they were the state controlled the key heavy industries. The heavy industries government can like iron and steel industry I have told you. So government industries infrastructure like roads and development projects, all these projects were not given to the private people. Government till now even the government is kept these things in their hands. The roads, the railways, all these infrastructure the government keep in their hands, and made some intervention even in the agriculture. In the agriculture department also, you know that the government, whenever the harvest is being done, that is bring in the market, and from there the government purchase that crops from the farmers at the minimum support price MSP. So government made some intervention even in the agriculture. So we have seen that government in this way government decided to plan the industry. And in the next video I have told you how the planning commission was being set up and how that first 5-year plan was being made. Thank you.